Hi guys and welcome to the video. Now I've got an amazing competition for you today, and that is the chance to win every single bonus that I put out in August. That's right, you can actually win every single bonus that I put out in the month of August. Now all you need to do to enter the competition is comment on the video as always, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Then on the 30th of July, I will pick from everyone who has commented on this video. I will pick one winner, and that winner will receive every single bonus package I put out for the month of August. So it's an amazing prize. So all you need to do is comment, like, share, and then subscribe to the channel. And you're in with a chance of winning all my bonus packages for August. And I've got some amazing bonus packages coming. Now also today I have some great giveaways. If you want the free downloads, just go to the description below, click on the link, it will take you across to our download page. On that page I've got 3 reseller funnels that you can download without having to opt in anywhere, and then I have another 5 reseller funnels if you opt in on that page as well. So you've got a chance of taking 8 reseller funnel packages for no cost, totally free. 3 you can get with no opt-in at all. The other 5 you need to opt in to download them. So that's some great giveaways there. But remember, if you want to win or have a chance of winning all my bonuses for August, just comment on this video, like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And on the 30th of August, I'll pick that lucky winner. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.